Climbing?
Yep.
Clipping.
Acá. Sí, sí, no hace falta. Es cortita. Empieza aquí. Acá. Directo hacia abajo el techo. Te montas y se acabó. Pero es buena. Me gusta.
I don't like those feet at all. There we go. Reason. Clipping. Tell me why I can't stay. 'Cause I don't want to say. Take it just a little. Everything is if I just breathe. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the. So Jamie, here I'm just moving my feet up as high as I can until I get to this right there, and then I just shove myself in. Hands free, baby. Yep. So that's it. Clipping. Oh, you're all dusty. Probably can't see anything. All right. Chill here for a hot sec. All right, Jamie, watch me. Ugh. Oh, I don't like that at all. What's that? You're stuck in there good. Yes, sir. Nope. Not ready for that yet. Got a good right hand. Gotta get my next hand over there. I'm gonna move my feet up. Come on. All right. Okay. No feet right now. Oh, I wish I was more flexible. Here we go. That is definitely not the beta. This was harder second time around. Okay. I'm just gonna chill for a sec. Whew. Hey, Mom and Dad. This is what I like to do on my weekends. I like to do stupid stuff like this. Check out the view below. All right. Shifting over. Now, if you ever seen Emperor's New Groove, this is Cusco and Pacha right here. Jamie, I'm clipping. Okay. So now if I fall, I only fall from there. All right. Let's do this. All right. Ooh, hello, tree. Do I do it like last time? Or try something different? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right. Check out this view. Woo-wee. All right. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna have to step across the abyss to that step right there. So I want to make sure my hands are really solid. So if my feet give out, I'm not going anywhere. Let's give this a go. Okay. Jamie, watch me. I don't like any of these handholds. Meanwhile, I'm just splitting out here. What did I do last time? What's the beta? That feels solid. There we go. Thank you. Whew. All right. Home stretch. Gotta mitigate. Count for rope drag. All right. Fingers in the crack. High step. Push up. Here we go. All right. Slabby portion. Clipping. All right, at the anchor, that is what we call sending a route clean. With no falls, no breaks, and now you get to appreciate the view. Look at that. All right. Well, thanks for taking a ride. I'll see you next time.